Many would travel throughout Texas vacationing and sightseeing. Tragically, the memories will not be as joyful as they hoped. For nothing could prepare them for the sights that they're about to see. Something so horrific and bizarre that wouldn't even appear in one of your worst nightmares. Something so gruesome that would later become known as the work of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
What the hell is going on here?
What do you mean?
Look, your brother is up to it again.
Up to what?
He's up to no good. He's up to no good, you sleaze bags. I should have dumped the both of you into the fire the day you were born and you came out of your mama's couch.
I'm sorry. What do you want me to do? I can't control him.
He's got blood all over the place. How am I going to explain this to the sheriff when he comes over here again?
I'm sorry.
I told you to control your brother. And if you don't know how to control him, then I will. And I'll control you over there too. What are we going to do now? I got bones all over the house. I don't have space to read a frickin' book. There's bones all over the place. If your mama was alive, she would have skinned the both of you alive. I've been too good to you. Listen, you're good for nothing. Get on the floor when I kick your ass. Put your face on the ground, because I'm going to step on your face. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Now I'm gonna take my foot off of your fucking face. Yeah. So I told you. You're gonna have to take care of that brother of yours. You're gonna have to put him in order. You're gonna have to make it work, cause I'm sick of dealing with both of you. And I'm sick of dealing with that sheriff. Look who we got here. Get in the room right now. Get in the slap you good. Get in the room right now. Good for nothing. Kids.
Hey, Bubba. You know, so I gotta tell you something. You know Paul, right? He's not okay. While he's gone, I'm gonna tell you, he's not a bad man. It's just, it's kind of difficult because you wouldn't want him to hurt me, would you? That's what I thought. Well, it's not like he can just go and kill us. And you're scared of him, right? Now look, pay attention. I need you to pay attention. I know you real good. We've known each other our whole lives. But I also know that you wouldn't want nothing to happen to me, right? Right. No. I know you've got the guts. You can do this, alright? I can't do it. I can't. As hard as I try, I can't kill someone. You've got that passion in you. You know what you gotta do. And I trust you, alright? Can I help you?
I need help with directions.
Where are you going?
I need help to get to Brookstown Road. My sister's having a baby.
Come on in. Alright, come here. Have a seat. I'll write down them directions.
Well, thank you, kind sir. Why are you up in my grill, in my space?
They're looking for Brookstown Road?
I am.
Oh. That's right up a mile down the road.
What does that smell? I smell something fishy. I smell something rotten. Well, I think I'm going to take off. Hello? Where you go?
Get in there!
Come on!
Throughout Texas, the Sawyer family, and particularly Jedediah Sawyer, known as Leatherface, have destroyed many lives. How many more are to come? The chilling house of the Sawyer family is now a sight of horrors. A sight that would be your last if you had entered. There is not a normal family that lives here, but a family of psychopaths, a family of cannibalistic killers, the home of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.